Let's now apply our knowledge in the sum of interior angles of polygons. Let's go to this first question here. So let's check first what kind of polygon this is. It has 6 sides, so this is hexagon. Now, let's add all the interior angles here. Let's start from x. X plus 120 plus 130 plus 90. Okay, we'll continue here. Plus 130 plus 130. Now, we know that the sum of interior angles of hexagon, based from our previous result, is equal to, hexagon is 720. Now, let's add up all the angles here inside. That gives us x plus 600 plus 720. We can move our 600 to this side. That will be minus 600. So x now is equal to 120 degrees. So this is the value for x, and which is the angle as well. Let's move to number 2 question. Let's look at the number of sides. So this is a pentagon. It has 5 sides. Now, if we add all the interior angles here, let's start from x plus 115 plus, this one is 90. You have another 90 here, and then plus 160. Okay, so for pentagon, so the sum of the interior angles is 540 degrees. Okay, and then let's add up all the angles here on the left side. That gives us 455. And let's copy the right side. And then let's move this to the right hand side. Okay, so let's move it here to become minus 455. Let's now move to the other side, so it will be left with x. So 540 minus 455 is equal to 85 degrees. So our x here is an angle, so that gives us 85 degrees. Let's move to the next set of questions. Here, n equals 5, we have a pentagon. Now notice that all the angles given here are exterior angles. So if you add up all the exterior angles, that's 80 plus 60. Let's remove the degrees first for convenience. And this is 90 plus 70 plus x. Okay, plus x. The sum of the exterior angle is 360 degrees, if you remember it. Okay, now if we add all the angles here on the left side, we'll have x plus, that's equal to 300. You can check it out. 360 on the right side. And then we'll move the 300 to the right side. That becomes minus 300. It's moved already. So x is now equal to 360 minus 300 is 60 degrees. Let's move to the next one. So we got n equals 5, still pentagon. Now here, we have interior and exterior angles. But this one, remember, this is not the exterior angles that gives us this sum of 360 degrees. Okay, the exterior angle should be something like here or something here, the angle here. So we cannot use this one. Now let's start from x first. Since we're considering the interior angles, So since this is x here, and the total angle here, that's a line angle, straight line angle, that's 180 degrees. If you take away the x, it gives us 180 minus x. So this is the angle here inside. We have, sorry, that's 180. 180 minus x, okay, plus this 100 plus, okay, this angle here, the total is 180. To take away 110, this will be left with 70. So that's 70 degrees for this interior angle here. And this angle here, now take note, the overall angle, which is a complete circle, is 360 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 230 degrees will give us the angle here. And that angle there is 130. Okay, 130 plus 230 give us 360 overall angle. So that's 130 degrees. And the angle here is what's this, 90 degrees. Okay, and since this is a pentagon, total angle of pentagon is 540. Gives us negative x, and all the angles here will sum up to 570. 570, and the right side is 540. Now we can move this here. That's minus 570. It's now moved. The negative x equals, this one is negative 30. And we divide negative both sides, or multiply negative 1 both sides. So this is now positive x, and this is positive 30. So our x is actually, this is angle because it's alone here as x. X is 30 degrees. Okay, for this polygon, we'll decide which method we're going to use, whether we get the sum of interior angles or the sum of the exterior angles. I'm going to use the two methods here. I'll start first with the sum of exterior angles. I'll start from x plus. Now here the exterior here is, since that's 90, so this is also 90 here, so plus 90, and this is 60. This is, now this is not really the exterior that we want. The exterior that we want is this angle here. Alright, but we can get that because the total is 250 and this angle here is 180. So 250 minus 180, we can get this angle. So 250 minus 180 is 70 degrees. So this is 70 degrees there. So plus 70. And this one, okay, we get the exterior of this one. So the total is 180. Since that's 100, that means this angle here is 80 degrees. So plus 80 degrees. And since we're taking the exterior angles, that means the total angle is 360 degrees. And here, let's add all the angles of the left-hand side. So we have x plus, that's 150, 220, that's 300. Okay, so you have 300 equals 360. Now let's move that to the right side. So that's minus 30, 300. This is gone already, so x equals 60 degrees. That's our x. Now if you decided to get using the sum of the interior angles, that's still that can still work, and let's check it out if the answers are still the same. Okay, now here, since we're getting the interior angle, this one here is 180 minus x. So let's begin there. 180 minus x. This angle here is given already. That's 90. This is total of 180 here. We have 60 here, so that means this is 120 degrees here. So plus 120 degrees. And this is total is 360 degrees, and we have 250 already here. That means this is 110 degrees. So plus 110 degrees plus, okay, there we have the interior 100 here. Now since it's a pentagon, then so we have here negative x, and let's sum up all the angles here. That's 180, 270, 390, 390, 500, 600. So that's 600 equals 540. Okay, let's move that here. That's minus 600. So negative x, the right hand side gives us negative 60. We divide negative 1 both sides, and that gives us x equals 60. So they have the same answer using the interior method, sum of interior method, or the exterior method, sum of the exterior method of angles. Alright, let's move now to this question here. We'll use the, okay, let's check this out. We'll use the exterior. It's easier to use the exterior here. Let's begin from 3x. Here we have 3x plus 2x. Now, meaning this angle here is the same as this angle here. Okay, that's plus 2x. The exterior, since that's 90, then the exterior is also 90. So plus 90. And then here, meaning that's the same angle as this one. So plus 2x. Okay, and we got all of it already. Since we're doing the exterior, sum of exterior angles, so it's equal to 360 degrees. 9x plus 90, okay, equals 360 degrees. Okay, we move that here, that's minus 90. We have 9x equals, it's gone already, 360 minus 90 is 270 degrees. We divide 9. That gives us x equals, cancels out, x equals 30 degrees. Okay, so our x is 30 degrees. Now, if you want to get the angles here, this one is, since x is 30 degrees, that means this is 60 degrees. And this is 3x, that means this is 90 degrees. Okay, that's it. Now let's move to the next one. We'll start from exterior. Okay, we'll use the exterior here. We have 3x plus this one, 2x plus okay, exterior. What is this one? Since this is 3x here, this one means it's also 3x. So meaning the exterior angle here is 180 minus 3x. Okay, so this is 180 minus 3x, and here plus 90, here plus, the total is 180 degrees. 180 minus 160, that gives us 20 degrees here, so plus 20 degrees. And okay, I think we got all the exterior angles already, and the sum of the exterior angles is 360 degrees. Okay, we sum up all the x's. This one will cancel out. So we have 2x left here, and all the remaining angles. 180 plus 90, that's 270, that's 290. Okay, plus 290 equals 360. Okay, move that here. Minus 290. It's gone already. So 2x equals 360 minus 290. That gives us 70. And divide 2 both sides. Gives us x equals 35. Okay, x equals 35. That means you want to get the angle here. This is 70 degrees. And this is 105 degrees. Okay, and that's the answer. Now let's move to the last one. Okay, I'll let you solve this one here. I will solve this one here. I will use the exterior angles here instead. We have x plus 30. Okay, this one is 90. Here it's 150. This 180. All in all here minus 150. That gives us 30 degrees. Okay, plus 30 degrees plus this exterior angle here. That's 8x minus 25. Exterior angle here is also 90. Okay, plus 90 plus here the exterior angle here is 180 minus 21x. Okay, so 180 minus 21x here plus 7x here. Okay, we've done that already. The total angle, since we're doing the sum of exterior angles, total is 360 degrees. Now let's sum up all the x's. That's x, 9x, 9x, that's 16x. 16 minus 21x, that gives us minus 5x. Okay, and then let's go to the remaining angles here. 30, 120, 150, 150, 240, 240, 420 minus 25. That gives us 395. It's equal to 360. Now let's move this to this side. Get the 5x equals, okay, it's minus 395. It's gone already. So this is negative 35. And we divide negative 5 both sides. Okay, it gives us x equals 7. So x is 7. Now if you want to get each of the angle here, so this one is equal to 49 degrees. 7 times 7 is 49 degrees. And this one times 7 here, that's 147 degrees. And okay, you can continue here. This is 56 minus 25 is 31 degrees. Okay, and here 7, this is 37 degrees.